How to fix Android menu button not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your recent apps button not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to restart your phone. So first thing first is to restart your phone. I know it sounds basic, but a quick reboot can fix minor glitches with the system navigation. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2. That is to clear cache of system launcher. So if it is still not working, you can try clearing the cache of your system launcher. And here is how you can do it. To do that, simply go to the settings, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps, and in this section simply search for system launcher. Once you have searched for it, simply tap on it, and here go to the clear data option, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on clear cache. With this, it helps you to remove temporary junk that might be interfering with the recent apps button. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to turn off battery saver. Sometimes battery saver mode can restrict system function, so to turn it off, you need to simply scroll down from the top right corner, and from here you can directly turn off the battery saver mode. And with that, let's move forward to the last step, that is to do the factory reset. So if nothing has worked so far, you can try a factory reset, but make sure to back up your data first. And with that, let's move forward to the step. So to do the factory reset, you simply have to tap on the search bar at the top and search for factory reset. Now just tap on the factory reset option, and once you see the interface like this, at the bottom you can see the option labeled as erase all data. So simply tap on that. And after that, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction, and this is your last resort when all else fails. And that's it. I hope one of these fixes got your recent apps button working again. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.